Welcome to our natural world. Stay with nature and taste a healthy being happy. Today I'll discuss the most benefit of sage essential oil. Sage or Salvia officinalis as it is known in the botanical nomenclature system. Sage essential oil is extracted by steam distillation of sage leaves and is constituted mainly of ascletin, alpha-humulin, alpha-thiosin, alpha-thiazone, alpha-terpenol, alpha-terpenes, alpha-pinene, alpha-malin, aromandendrin, beta-pinene, beta-copine, beta-thiazone, borneol, camphor, cineol, caryophyllene oxide, camphene, delta-cadenans, linalool, limonene, marcene, ocimene, octanol, parathymine, paracyminol, salvial, terpenol, thuzanol, terpinolene. Health benefits of sage oil. Antifungal. The presence of camphor and camphene in this essential oil gives it a potential antifungal property. This oil is possibly capable of inhibiting fungal infections both internally and externally, and gives relief from fungal infections like dysentery, skin disease, athlete's foot, or dermatitis. This property is one of the causes behind its use in skincare products. Potentially antimicrobial. The components in sage essential oil which may give protection against fungal infections can also provide protection against microbial infections too. Therefore, you can protect small wounds or cuts from developing irritating or potentially dangerous infection, as confirmed by a report published in the African Journal of Biotechnology. Possibly antibacterial. This oil is known to be equally useful at countering bacterial infections since it kills bacteria and may inhibit their growth in the body. This property can also be used to heal ailments like bacterial infections in the ears, nose, throat, eyes, genitals, urethra, colon, intestines, as well as on the skin and in wounds. An antioxidant. This is perhaps the most valuable aspect of this essential oil and the reason behind its extensive use in anti-aging and skin treatment products. According to a study published in the Journal of the Traditional and Complementary Medicine, sage gets its potent antioxidant power from rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid. Antioxidants, as the name suggests, act against oxidants or free radicals in the body, which are the main causes of aging. These antioxidants slow down aging and prevent symptoms like wrinkles, sagging skin, and muscles, reduction in vision and hearing capabilities, malfunctioning of the brain, memory loss, degeneration of tissues, macular degeneration, and nervous disorder. Antiseptic. Since it has potentially antimicrobial, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, it can serve as an antiseptic for wounds, surgical incisions, postnatal injuries, ulcers, and sores. Anti-inflammatory. It reduces inflammation on the skin, inflammation due to fever, and prevents the entry of poisonous material into the bloodstream. It may also reduce the effect of excessive intoxicants and narcotics, ingestion of excessive salty or spicy food, the influence of very hot wines, etc. A study in Pharmaceutical Biology journal suggests that it helps cure inflammation in the stomach, intestines, and excretory tracts too. Antispasmodic. This property of sage essential oil can be useful in treating all problems that arise from spasms, including pain in the stomach, chest, and intestines, as well as cough, convulsions, and cramps. An immunagogue. This essential oil regularizes menstrual cycle and helps relieve obstructed menses. It activates certain hormones such as estrogens, which helps to bring about clear menstruation and gives relief from problems like a headache, nausea, weakness, fatigue, depression, mood swings, and other associated symptoms of periods. An expectorant. It can give you relief from a cough, cold, and infections in your chest and respiratory tracts. It also provides relief from congestion and that results from the common cold. A stimulant. If all the properties of this essential oil are to be described with a single term, stimulant would be the appropriate one. Most of the properties it displays are different expressions of this property. It stimulates the brain, nerve system, liver, spleen, and circulatory and excretory system, thereby activating and optimizing them. A disinfectant. The potentially antibacterial, antifungal, antimicrobial, and antiseptic properties of the essential oil of sage make it an effective disinfectant as it gives sound protection from both internal and external infections. Others benefits of sage oil. Sage essential oil helps to manage dermatitis, herpes, cirrhosis, sinusitis, asthma, and bronchitis, accumulation of phlegm, cerebral palsy, depression, sciatica, and lumbago, as well as includes mental stability, alertness. Side effects. Being a nervous stimulant, those with epilepsy, hysteria, or a history of either should avoid using it. Furthermore, since it contains camphor and caffeine, which are toxic in nature, it should be avoided during pregnancy. If this information helps you, please thumbs up, like button and subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos updates.